Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. Today I'm coming at you with another unboxing. These are two models from the Gemini Jets August releases. So you'll probably have somewhat of an idea what these are. Purchased them from Easy Toys, but yeah, let's just dive right into it. Okay, so super excited to get these. Seen a few people unbox this, specifically Gemini Jets 13. From the pictures it looks awesome. So yeah, should be two models in here. Cut myself. There we go. Let me know down in the comments what you're planning to get from the Gemini Jet September releases. Would be interested to hear what you think. I'm probably gonna go for the 777s, both the United and American ones. So, okay. There's a big paper wad. So first we have the United 777-300ER in the new livery. Super excited to get this one. Can't wait to see what it looks like. I know Aerospace Aviation did have a bit of an issue with his. Hopefully we can avoid that trend. And then second, we have the Southwest Florida 1. So yeah, super excited to get these. We'll shut the curtains and we'll go into depth on both. Alright, starting off with the United 777. This unboxing should not take nearly as long as the massive unboxing number 2 did. If you have not seen that, I would recommend you go check it out. Link should be in the top. But we'll start with this United 777. So yeah, first impressions, looks really nice. No issues I'm noticing so far. And yeah, the model looks to be perfect. No loose stabilizers or wings or anything like that. Both gears are well, sort of straight. The one on the left is a little bit crooked. But yeah, looks good. No issues. Paint looks really nice. Maybe a little bit light on the tail, just noticing from first impressions. But yeah, we'll move on to the Gemini Jet Southwest. Alright, now we got the Florida 1 for Southwest. Really hoping that they make a California one, because my dream is to have all of the Southwest Heart or state liveries lined up next to each other. That would be a super cool picture. But yeah, first impressions, this is gonna be an awesome model. Oh yeah. Okay, this is gorgeous. They nailed it. 10 out of 10. There's absolutely perfect model. No issues. The wings are relatively stable. Color is spot on. I mean, this is the Gemini Jets, I know. Hopefully they can keep this up. I mean, look at the detail. Attention to color, especially on those engines. But yeah, we'll go into greater detail on both of these models. Okay, so first off, we're going to start with the United 777. This is a great model by Gemini Jets. I'm looking at the older 777-300 ER right now that's sitting at my airport. So this will be a great addition to my collection, but it'll help a lot for SFO and just MK International in general. But yeah, so starting off with the front of the aircraft here, we have the cockpit nose cone, then we have the cockpit windows and Star Alliance titles. Then we have the L1 boarding door, the gear, which is a little bit bent out, but it's very not noticeable, so it's still a great model. Got the Wi-Fi dish up there, or not dish, but Wi-Fi box rather, I should say. Looks really good. Then we have the L2 door, looks great. United titles are spot on. Got the engine, looks really nice. All wing details are good. You got the gears, as I said, a little bit bent, but not too much. Got the overwing exit with the slide exit marks. Wings are good, right there as you can see, and I got the L4 door, and then last at the tail we have the L5 door. With the registration November 274, I think that says SU, I believe. So yeah, and then the tail, which is a little bright, I won't lie. A little bit on the bright side. I'm not sure if that's just because the tail is a lot bigger on this version than on most other United aircraft, so I'm not really sure. If you know, let me know, as always. But yeah, this is a super good model. I'd give it about an 8.5 out of 10. So yeah, if you haven't picked this one up, do so, and especially this next model. So oh my goodness, there's not much to say. The camera does not lie. This is an absolutely gorgeous model. It will knock your socks off if you see it in person or just off the camera. But yeah, this is awesome. I really want to see California 1 pretty soon. I know they made it on a 400, but obviously that was a 400, so yeah, still waiting for the 700. But we'll start up here at the front of this gorgeous aircraft. We have the cockpit nose cone, which looks great. Gemini Jet says their 737 700 and molded down pretty tight. Cockpit windows look great. They've got the rolling landing gear back. The front don't roll very well, the rear are better. Got the Southwest heart there, the L1 boarding door. Got the Florida state flag with the, I don't know what kind of flowers those are, but you got the girl there with the ship and the palm tree. Looks super good. One of the best features of this livery is the engines though. The flowers and stuff, and then just even the bottom, like the orange and the green, just super nice. You also have the yellow tires, which is a great feature by Southwest. I won't focus, but yeah, you got the yellow tires, which looks super good, add a lot of flair and color to the livery. Winglets are good, no issue there. Got the Wi-Fi box, which looks really nice, glad to have it on this model. Then moving down, got the rear door, followed by the Southwest tail, which looks spot on as well. So overall, I'd give this model about 9.5 out of 10. So super good. Again, if you have not already, I would recommend picking this up. Yeah, we'll go on to the outro. Okay, well that does conclude this unboxing. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoy making this kind of content. So if you wouldn't mind considering liking and leaving a subscription. Again, I'm trying to get to 100 before the end of the year. But two amazing models out of the Gemini Jet's August releases. Again, I want to hear what your thoughts, your opinions, also what you're going to get out of the September releases, which have already dropped. But yeah, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless.